We were particularly interested at how debate could be used as an assessment format for university students, and also to bring that fun, engaging element to core communication skills and critical thinking in such a critical degree.
One of the reasons that we first reached out to DebateMate to start doing some work with our MSc students is that we really saw, particularly with a large number of international students, maybe like a lack of confidence in their presenting skills. So we wanted to help break them out of their shells and give them a fun activity, I guess, to do, but also to develop a different way of thinking.
So debates are essential, but we get students to do a lot of number crunching, a lot of writing of essays in a logical way, but they don't often get the opportunity to stand up and actually marshal their points or put across their point in terms of whether arguing for or arguing against.
They understand the principles of how systems operate and how they can solve problems. One of the challenges is to teach them how they can communicate those problems to a broad range of audiences, because our students will go into areas like consultancy. They will have to meet clients and they'll have to convince them that their solution is the right one to take.
So we've moulded all of our core pedagogy and curriculum to be bespoke for this partnership, really degree specific for the students engaged in these programs. Really fundamentally, it's about questioning what they're learning and why they're learning it to equip them for the working world and to be future proof.
Now, ethics is really very important for us as chemical engineers. This is a good opportunity for students to really get up there and argue for things that whether they may believe in or they may not believe in.
Students now are very, very used to thinking in slow processing ways, like doing an essay or even preparing for a presentation, but that's not what the real world looks like. Your boss can come up with something on the spot. So it's about teaching them to take their foundational knowledge but be able to think about that on the spot and defend themselves, basically.
Ethics typically, or ethical dilemmas typically, don't have a straightforward answer, so students actually have to think through it. They actually have to come up with points for and against, and this essentially helps students to really develop that skill set for when they are faced with real life problems where there are no easy answers, to come up with compromises and solutions to problems.
The skills they learn are also really great at just building students' confidence. A lot of our students will come from all across the world. This is the thing that UCL is really proud of. We're a very multinational, international university, and so giving them this practice that they just don't get elsewhere in the course is really, really vital.
So after the first couple of years that we were working with DebateMate to run these debates, we immediately saw an impact on our students, and we're really passionate about then communicating this back out to other educators and developing the pedagogy of it further. And the reception was great. Everyone's like, oh, I've never really thought of this as an idea before. That's a really innovative way of doing things. The feedback that we've had from students is really great about it.
The course that I helped introduce debate into is themed around research skills. In research, one of the primary things we have to do is convince people that our arguments are correct. Teaching students who are going to be research focused how to make arguments and to convince people in a really concise and a really enthusiastic and engaging way is a really, really vitally important thing for us.
They bring something special to the students. They bring a different form of learning to the students. They bring that interactive learning to students, which I think, is really helpful.
Really enjoyed doing the debate workshop today. Really nice to just get to know some of my other course mates. The workshop itself was fantastic for kind of getting out of your shell, and I think I'm someone who actually feels that I have quite good communication skills. However, in this master's, it's not kind of the main focus of my degree, so it's good to step a bit out of my comfort zone today and do something a bit different.
It trains a lot for my oral skills. Today, I think in postgraduate, I have more freedom to speak or to express my own opinion, and also that makes to learn, teach us how to do critical thinking.
It's these sorts of partnerships that allow us to propel the charity. Since the inception of when we first modelled and piloted this with UCL, it's now become a core component of the assessment on the MSc and BSc courses.
So now we run this across most of our MSc programs in the department. In terms of where this might go in future, I'm talking to colleagues across faculty, across different departments, across UCL, and perhaps even beyond, at how this program, this scheme may be able to be implemented for other students across UCL.